Concept dual tip markers offer brilliant color in an alcohol base that's perfect for all sorts of artwork applications. Very thoughtfully designed, they've got multiple sets that have great curated colors in super durable boxes with handles, with fasteners that click nicely, that you can take with you wherever, whether it's to class, whether it's to your design studio, whether it's just moving it around from place to place that you want to go and work. It offers the ability to have small packs up to a pack of 80 colors become very easily transportable with the concept marker set. Now, the design of these markers is very thoughtfully engineered. They've got a square barrel so that it's roll resistant when you're working on a flat surface. They've got caps that were made so that there's only one way to put them on. They've got kind of a carved arc in them. Only one way to do it. You hear the snap and they're on. That's always a problem with every brand of marker I've ever encountered since the dawn of using markers as a child. So it's going to hold that, ink in there, keep it ready, fresh for you to use. Now, the nibs have a very durable nylon material that have just your typical thin barrel point nib, so it gives you really great detail for sketching, doing some line work. The other nib has a chisel tip, but it's got multiple kind of faceted angles, so you can get that nice wide swath with it. You can turn it to get that good hard side, and then it's angled kind of all around so that you can get kind of an even thinner line out of it for mark making just with that one tip. So it gives you the ability to have multiple styles of lines, which again isn't something you can get with every marker. Then you've got the ability for, it's alcohol based, so when it's dry, it's permanent. So that's a fantastic thing. Then they also have colorless blenders. So you can work two different colors in together. Let's give that a shot. So we've got a little bit more transition. We've got, you can edge it to bring kind of a nice little wash off to the side if you want to soften something, if you want to kind of extend it. Use it for all sorts of different creative applications. They're lots of fun to play with. So the concept dual tip marker, it adds great value to your marker art. Beautiful colors, great sets. It's something that any designer, anybody who does maybe cartooning, anybody who does layout, architecture, just basic sketching, it's a great tool in the arsenal of any artist that wants some great color pop with that permanence of an alcohol marker.